Good morning, children. How are you all? So, in which chapter we are? We are in electricity chapter. We are in electricity. Already I explained you CFLs, compact fluorescent lights. Isn't it? Compact fluorescent lights. Nowadays we are using CFLs only to reduce the wastage of electricity. Isn't it? The units you will get is less by using the fluorescent lights. Isn't it? That is the main motto, to use the these CFLs. So here now electricity in our house. How you get the electricity from the house? We get the electricity from your to your house or schools or other places. Also you get the electricity. So the main electricity is supplied into our houses comes from power stations and substations. Power stations and substations, you get the electricity, isn't it? You get the electricity, isn't it? So here electricity you are getting free, you are not paying any amount for electricity. Are you paying electricity bills? Ask your parents. You are paying electricity bills? Yes, we are paying the electricity bills monthly. Monthly we are paying electricity bill. It is not a free of cost, isn't it? We have to pay. According to the bill, we have to pay how much electricity we are consuming, that much we have to pay. Isn't it? To electricity department. Electricity department is separate. There we have to pay. Isn't it? So one person, you know, who will, normal people will come and take the electricity reading? No. Special persons will be there, appointed persons will be there from the electricity department. They will come and they check the meter. Rolling meters. Before we had rolling meters there, isn't it? Which shows you the units, how many units you are consuming or how many units are they. Based on that, they will give you, they issue you the electricity bill. Meter readers will come and check. Nowadays we are having digital meters, isn't it? We are having digital meters, we are having, isn't it? So here modern meters which we are having is that is called a digital meters. We are having, before we have rolling, the meter will roll, isn't it? And shows you how many units you are consuming. Isn't it? If suppose here we are using, nowadays everyone is using CFLs only to reduce the electricity wastage. We are using the CFLs, isn't it? Now here, what does the term 1 unit? 1 unit. How is the usage of electricity is measured? How the electricity is measured? You go through the electricity bill. You go through the electricity bill, you will get each and every information in the electricity bill. You will get each and every information in the electricity bill. So, if you look at the bulbs used in your house, you will see the measurements in the bulb. What you will see in the bulb? Watts, that is 25 watts will be there, or 60 watts will be there, 100 watts will be there. You are seeing this watt, isn't it? What do you call it? Watt. 100 watts also will be there. So, this you are seeing. So, this wattage measures how powerful the bulb is. The wattage measures how powerful the bulb is. So, now we are saying 100 watts is more powerful than 60 watts. 60 watts is more powerful than 25 watts. 25 watts is more powerful than 0 watt. Isn't it? Understood? So, here the brighter the bulb, the higher the wattage will be. Now here you are seeing the brightness of the 100 watt bulb is more than the 60 watt. 60 watt is more than the 25 watts brightness. Isn't it? More consumption, more electricity bill you have to pay. More units you will get. Understood? So to avoid this, we are using CFLs nowadays. Okay. Now here see. So this watt is mentioned here. 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watts. 1 kilowatt is equal equals to 1000 watt. So when any appliance of 1 kilowatt we are using for 1 hour. You are using for 1 hour, then you have to write 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. Suppose when any appliance of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour, then it used up 1 kilowatt hour. You are using for 1 hour means 1 kilowatt, 1 kilowatt hour, isn't it? Means it runs for 2 hours means, if you are using for 2 hours means, then 2 kilowatt hour. You are using for 2 hours, 2 kilowatt hour, isn't it? So here that these 2 units of electricity you have consumed. 2 units of electricity you have consumed. Now here you have to calculate the amount of electricity here. Bill. Suppose you got a bill. How you will calculate the electricity now? Exercise here it is. Suppose the meter reader came reading in January, that is in January month. It is in January month. Reading in Feb. Reading in Feb month. Isn't it? Reading in the January month, 400 units you have consumed. And you already paid the bill also. Now again, 1st Jan, that is 1st Jan. This is the bill for 1st February. He came again for 1st February. So how many units you have consumed is 580 units you have consumed in the month of this 1 month. In 1 month you have consumed how many units? What you will write here? How many number of units consumed? Number of units used by in electricity use. How much you used? See, in January 1st, 400 units already you paid. Again he came, meter reader again came for Feb 1st, same date he came. Next month, 580 units. Then how many units you have consumed here? That is subtracted. 180 units you have consumed. 180 units you have consumed. You have to go after this. You have to go after this. Already you paid bill for 400 units. Again the meter will continue. It will not show you separate reading. It will continue. So now, here cost per unit also will be given. This is government only will decide. Electricity department only decide. We cannot decide ourselves how much bill to pay. Cost per unit. Cost per unit is how much? 3 rupees 5 paisa. For 180 units, how much you have to pay? Now 180 units you have used, and the cost per unit is 3 rupees 5 paisa. Here you have used 180 units. So how much you are going to pay for 180 units? How much amount you are going to pay to electricity department? That is here 3.505 into 180. This much amount you have to pay. 549 rupees you have to pay. This is your electricity bill for 1 month. This is the electricity bill for 1 month. This much you have to pay. So like this you have to calculate the units, and per cost unit also will be given by the government only. We will not decide ourselves. Okay. So now next come to another one example I will give you that. See here. Now see here. Now electricity which you are using domestic purpose is cheaper than the commercial purposes or industrial purposes. Our electricity supply, our electricity how much units we are consuming and per cost unit we are paying, that will be cheaper than the commercial use. This you have to keep in mind. Now here, suppose in a house, in your house only. Take in your house only. We are the bulbs, number of bulbs you are using here. See here, you are using the 4 bulbs of 100 watts. 4 bulbs of 100 watts you are using, and 6 bulbs of 60 watts you are using. 6 bulbs of 60 watts you are using. Next, you are using the 6 bulbs of 40 watts. 6 bulbs of 40 watts you are using. These many bulbs you are using in your house. These many bulbs you are using in your house. How many bulbs? 4 bulbs you are using for 100 watts. 6 bulbs you are using for 60 watts bulb. Each bulb is of 60 watts. Like that 6 bulbs you are using. In the same way, 6 bulbs of 40 watts you are using. Now calculate these. 1000 watts. 1000 watts is equal to how many kilowatt? 1 kilowatt. That is 1 kilowatt. Isn't it? 1000 watts is equal to how many kilowatt? 1 kilowatt. Now here, total power use every day you are using for 2 hours. Every day you are using for 2 hours. Every day you are using for only for 2 hours. Every day you are using only for 2 hours. So how many kilowatts you are using? How many kilowatts you are using every day? 2 hours into 1 kilowatt is equal to 2 kilowatt hours you are using every day. Now for 30 days, how many kilowatts you are using? For 30 days, that is 1 month. How much? How many units you are using? Per day you are using 2 hours. 2 hours you are using. These many bulbs you are using for 2 hours. Isn't it these many? So 2 hours you are using. So for 30 days, how many units you will get it? How many units you are using for 30 days? 60 kilowatt hour you are using, isn't it? See, for 30 days you are using 60 kilowatt hour. Now total cost, how much it is per unit, how much it cost? Cost for the power, cost of the power, that is how much? It is 2 rupees 80 paisa. 2 rupees 80 paisa. Per unit cost is 2 rupees 80 paisa. For 60 units, how much you have to pay bill? How much you are going to pay bill for 60 kilowatts hours? Per cost is already given for you. Amount is already given for you. So here rupees 2 rupees 80 paisa. 2 rupees 80 paisa for 60 kilowatt you are using. So how much you have to pay is here, how much you have to pay? 168 rupees. 168 you have to pay for electricity department. Understood, children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Now like this you have to go through your electricity bill and find out. Go through the electricity bill and you are getting the correct bill or not. You can find out by yourself only. Isn't it? Go through the electricity bill, how many units consumed every month you will get electricity bill. Meter reader will come and give you electricity bill. Go through how many units you are consuming and per unit cost also will be given there. Go through it and calculate it. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.